When someone in Bellevue searches garage door repair near me, they don't compare 5 websites. They don't read blogs. They don't scroll endlessly. They call the business they see first on Google Maps. Now imagine this. Your business is active, your team is ready to take calls, but Google has suspended your business profile. That's exactly what happened to this client. Hi, I am Shabnam from GBP Wizards and I am back with another real Google business profile recover case study. Let me explain what went wrong and how we fixed it. Our client runs an advanced garage door of Bellevue, a service area garage door repair business based in Bellevue, Washington. This business is where customers usually search in urgent situations, garage door not opening, car stuck inside, safety issues. When that happens, customers go straight to the Google Maps. If you're not visible there, you don't get the call. The client's Google business profile got suspended. Since this is a service area business, there was no storefront location. That made the situation more sensitive. Once the profile was suspended, the business disappeared from the Google Maps. Calls stopped. Competitors started getting those urgent inquiries. For a garage door business, this means losing customers every single day. That's when the client contacted GBP Wizards. And here is why service area business suspensions are tricky. Most service area business owners think because I don't have a storefront, recovery is almost impossible. That fear is common, but it's not true. However, service area businesses are reviewed more strictly by Google, have fewer margin of error, can't rely on storefront proof, and random appeals or retires usually make things worse. And here is our strategy. We did not rush the appeal. First, we conducted a full profile audit, identified why Google flagged the profile, fixed internal policy conflicts, aligned the profile correctly as service area business. Only after everything matched Google guidelines, we did proceed with the proper recovery process. And the result after our intervention, the suspension was removed, the Google business profile was restored, the business became visible again on Google Maps, calls and service enquiries started coming back. Most importantly, the business was visible again exactly when customers needed help. This case proves one important thing. Service area business profiles can be restored. Not having a storefront does not mean the game is over. The right strategy matters more than the random attempts. For urgent services like door garage repair, Google Maps visibility is the business. If you are watching this and thinking, my service area business got suspended, I don't have a storefront, my profile disappeared from Google Maps, I am losing calls every day, then don't guess. Contact GBP Wizards. We specialize in service area business profile suspensions, profile recovery, Google Map visibility restoration, and long time profile stability. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next case study.